2027 Honda HR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Take home the car of your dreams today.